Bento style trays that have like these different compartments for like a salad and fruits and dressing and all that kind of stuff. They've been popular for years, and now they're getting even better and more easy to clean. This one I have here is from Benko. Super stylish, very portable, and my goodness, does it contain a lot. Let's look at all the compartments it comes with. So right off the bat, I can take the top off, and I have access to the fork right over here. Then you just take those latches off, and then you've got the compartments. So of course, clearly, your food, your rice, your salad would be under here. And then you could have compartments for different proteins, vegetables, fruits, and right in the middle, a container for dressing, for any type of liquid. It is full sealable, and everything fits perfectly back together. Very easy. The entire container is made of food-grade safe plastic that is BPA free. And because of its seal, it will keep your food fresh for a longer time than if you just had it in a normal container. It also comes with a 2-year warranty. And before I go, for those of you using a microwave, yes, it is microwavable, but only use the bottom bowl for the microwave. The rest should not be put in there. Start planning your next meals with this dishwasher-safe bento-style tray containers by Benko.